To Swiftly Shivali. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete the derived data from Xcode. We often do this when we receive strange build errors that we're unable to resolve. It's one of the go-to debugging tools that we have. If Xcode is acting funky and not cooperating, the first thing somebody will tell you is, did you clean your project? Did you delete your derived data from Xcode? So this is how you do that. Open up Xcode, then go into Preferences. Preferences, you will navigate to the Locations tab here. It was already open for me, but if you get landed on a different tab, make sure you navigate to Locations. From here, you will see the derived data section. Under there, you will see the path in which the derived data folder resides. So click on this arrow here. This will open up Finder. In Finder, you will see the derived data folder. From here, just right-click, move it to your trash. And once that's done, I would recommend that you restart Xcode if you're still experiencing something weird, some kind of weird build errors. And that's it for this tutorial. Fairly straightforward, but it might be tricky to find if you're new to Xcode. If you'd like to see any more tips and tricks about Xcode like this, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.